வணக்கம், நான் உங்கள் அரவிந்த். நாங்கள் செட்டப் பண்ண 100+ Atal Tinkering Labs and Maker Labs வீடியோஸ் ஒரு சீரிஸாக பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது TSMS Mandapally ஸ்கூலில் டீச்சர் ட்ரைனிங் அண்ட் ஃபீட்பேக் அண்ட் பிரின்சிபலோட ஃபீட்பேக் இருக்குது. வாங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
So, as per the today's training, we are very happy with the trainers as well as they set up the lab very well.
A very good team, helped in checking all the components, how they work and what is the function of that and how to arrange. And explanation is so good, and they have shown me the equipments, how they will work, how to use them with very patiently, and they have clarified all our doubts.
So today we are arrangement the Atal Tinkering Lab. We are giving the service to Infinite Engineers. So they are giving excellent training to all my teachers, and also this training also very useful to our students. Through this training, our teachers they are developed the innovative thoughts. Our students also develop the new ideas. These are very useful to in the future.
So, I extend my warm thanks to the team for providing such a good team for us in explaining everything in detail.